dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Alright, welcome back to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest GC, your home of things and politics. Thank you all so much for joining us. The headlines: the Edo State Governor Okpebholo don't accuse the immediate past People Democratic Party-led government of Godwin Obaseki of not distributing books that was donated to the Edo State by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for use by students, because the president's face is printed on the book. Hey, my people, don't be small castle. Moving on, after this, we have a lot of group in Edo State don come out come talk say wetin Obaseki no fit achieve for 8 years that Okpebholo don achieve am in less than how many weeks we be say they don sworn am in as governor. My people, don't be small matter. But before I go bring the story, I go like welcome those who dey join us on today wonderful news for the first time. You guys are highly welcome, and to all our amazing subscribers and viewers, you guys are highly welcome. If you haven't subscribed to our page yet, please do us for to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. So guys, let's dive into the main gist. The Edo State Governor Okpebholo accused the immediate past People Democratic Party-led government of Governor Godwin Obaseki of not distributing books donated to Edo State by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for use by students, because the president's face is printed on the book. My people, don't be small castle. This is as the governor has commenced a statewide remodeling of public school and distribution of books. So according to his statement he released by his chief press, RI0USLY, Okpebholo come out and talk say the first phase of the remodeling, that 8 schools for the 3 senatorial districts of Edo State will be taken care of. So the governor made the revelation when he supervised the distribution of notebooks, textbooks, and other instructional materials in Benin City, the Edo State capital. So he ordered the distribution of the books across the 18 local government area of Edo State. He described the art of hoarding the books that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu gave to Edo people as an wicked act. The governor, in a company of Edo State Universal Education Board Executive Chairman Paddy Inyamo, a former member of House of Representatives for Oredo Federal Constituency, Inyama, and other top government functionaries later inspected the facility at the New Era College in Benin City. The facility is a special school for young people involved in sporting activities, which was built by the late Dr. Samuel Ebumudia, the governor of Old Bender State. So Okpebholo talk say these books will be said they don't see now. He said these books were donated by the president of Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for use by Edo children, but the immediate past administration did not distribute them to their children because President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's face is printed on the books. So he wants to thank the president for this kind gesture, and for him, he said the action of the former administration is an act of wickedness. That this warehouse is filled with the books donated by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, but because of the wickedness that the then governor Godwin Obaseki prevented the books from being distributed to the children. But today, that they are here to distribute the books to their children. This is New Era College at the center of Benin City. So they are there to distribute the book that everyone can see for themselves. They wrote in the system that they just entered the classroom where their children were thought sitting on the floor. And they are here with the State Universal Education Board Executive Chairman. And they are giving him an instruction to put all the modality on the ground for the commencement of the reconstruction of this school. That this school is for Edo children. That the former governor Godwin Obaseki refused Edo children the use of this book provided by President Bola Ahmed, but he could not provide seats for the children to sit comfortably while learning. That the action of the former governor Godwin Obaseki is an act of wickedness of the highest order. That the administration is coming back to renovate the school, his own administration, and in the next few weeks that they will start seeing transformation in that school in terms of reconstruction. So they have gone round to look at the facility and structure of that school, and it is in serious state, desiring attention, and the governor Godwin Obaseki failed to develop the school, and it is not acceptable. So keeping these books away from the children is wickedness, and Governor Godwin Obaseki action were wrong. So Okpebholo said Godwin Obaseki has developed the educational system using Edo best, but wetin they don't see today is not best for the children. So my people, as the matter be, the governor Okpebholo don't give a marching order for the books to be distributed across the 80 local government area of Edo State. And that order will be carried out strictly. My followers spoke by myself. So I guess I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in our comment section. We would love to hear from you once again. Thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. The transition of leadership often carry with their promise of continuity. change and hope in Edo State, the emergency of Senator Monday Okpebholo as governor. So many people are saying that it has brought an apparent whirlwind of accomplishment in just a few weeks. The achievement that critics argue eclipsed the 8 years tenure of Governor Obaseki. Now, while jury is still out on whether Monday Okpebholo can sustain this pace, the initial stride deserves recognition analysis that within the first 3 weeks of Monday Okpebholo, that he has embarked on a transformative journey, addressing issues that plagued Edo State during Obaseki's tenure. So they are saying that these initiatives are both symbolic and practical, reflecting an approach that prioritizes immediate action over prolonged deliberation. The Monday Okpebholo administration swiftly flagged off the construction of the 7.5-kilometer Tamboga Road, and he went ahead to initiate palliative work on the Benin-Auchi Road, particularly around the Obade Junction section. That this project addressed long-standing grievances over the state of Edo's road network, an area where Obaseki faced criticism for delay and perceived neglect. So the commencement of work on the Ramat Park flyover and the reconstruction of Saple Road further underscore Monday Okpebholo's commitment to modernize Edo infrastructure. Such projects, which remained stagnant or absent during Obaseki's reign, signal a decisive break from the past. They say one of the standard reform of Monday Okpebholo tenure is his crackdown on the Agboros Minas and the disbandment of Exploitative Markets Association. That this entity become synonymous with extortion, burden traders, and worsening the cost of living. The Obaseki's inability to decisively address this issue left many questioning his administration priority. So Monday Okpebholo action not only provide economic relief, but also it has demonstrated political willpower. They say, looking at his effort towards bettering the state of education in Edo State, that it is germane to know that the state of Ambrose Ali University, Iboma, the plight of its staff were sore points during Obaseki's administration, with allegation of mismanagement and staff maltreatment. That Obaseki did not do anything. So now, Monday Okpebholo immediate allocation of 500 million to offset accumulated bill, the restatement of unjustly sacked lecturers, and the donation of a luxury bus for free transportation underscore his dedication to education. They say his measure contrasts sharply with Obaseki's perceived inactive in resolving the university crisis. So another area of notable progress in the Monday Okpebholo decision is the swearing-in of 3 judges that was abandoned by Governor Obaseki. That by correcting this oversight, that Monday Okpebholo reaffirmed the importance of the judiciary in governance. So the establishment of Conflict Resolution Committee aimed to address long-standing communal disputes, further emphasize his hands-on leadership class. So right now, my people, they say Monday Okpebholo don't achieve many things in less than how many weeks he has been sworn as governor. That his administration early success challenged the narrative of inactive that characterized Obaseki's tenure, raising the bar for governance in Edo State. That if Monday Okpebholo sustained this tempo, that his tenure could redefine the benchmark for leadership in Edo State, potentially cementing his legacy as one of the best governors in history of Edo State. But for now, they say people of Edo State have every reason to be optimistic, as they have witnessed what true governance can achieve within a matter of weeks. My put up small while out. So I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions in our comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us.